So this is just proof that things get worse before they get better, as true with most things in life. Just gotta pull everything out and go from there. I did get this new desk from Ikea, which matches my old desk. Gives me a little bit more room to work, which I love. This is all stuff from the old drawers, not very organized. So I've been organizing for days, what seems like days, and I think I made a fair amount of progress, although it doesn't really look like it. Still trying to figure out what to do with all this stuff over here, but I got new storage, new shelves for my crystals. Excited about that. Still gotta put it somewhere more practical on my work area here. Yeah, so, and these shelves are great. I got them from Ikea, as of most things that I have here. They just give you a little extra storage space for your shelves. So I'm excited about that. All my mailers. And these are from Ikea as well. So are the desks, because I love Ikea. So yeah, making progress. And hopefully soon I'll have everything the way I want it to be. What a difference. I'm really happy with how everything came out. Just gonna give you a little tour. This is where I take a nap when I get tired. Haha. Just kidding, it's also a guest room. This is my printing station and some storage. So cool. Like, what is this? It's formed into a solid mass. So I recommend you separate your flowers before drying them. Isn't that lovely? Oh, hello there. I'm whispering because this place is now sanctuary. For real though, I love my new space. I'm really happy how I feel in it, and I highly recommend doing it for anyone who kind of is feeling tired of their workspace. If you refresh it, you start enjoying being in your space, and I think that's important, that you need to feel comfortable, relaxed, so you can focus on working. Now with less clutter, I feel like I can really focus on whatever I'm doing, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's very relaxing. Now that this is like 97% done, I'm trying to move forward with my business, and I'm now ready to do my second enamel pin. My first enamel pin being this Let's Trade Cuttings pin, which has been super popular. Thank you for everyone that has shared it or posted about it. It's a love of labor for me, labor of love for me. And these are still for sale in my Etsy shop. So if you're a plant nerd like me and you want to trade cuttings with everyone and acquire a ungodly amount of plants, I recommend you buy this pin for the plant hoarder. But my second one is still plant related, and I think I showed you guys a glimpse of it last video. I refined it a little bit. Here he is. And this guy is inspired by my ex-roommates and one of my good friends' kitty cats. His name is Mo. And Mo lived among a lot of plants. So I just sent him off to the manufacturer and they are working on it right now. I'm gonna get the proof back pretty soon. Really excited to see what they come up with. Super stoked on that. Today, I actually want to show you guys some feathers that I got in today, which I'm super excited about. I have been making a lot of feather jewelry recently and kind of wanted to expand my horizons with some different ethically sourced feathers. I got my package, which is full of ethically sourced feathers from the UK. And I'm excited, so let's open it together. Excited to use these babies. I asked for smaller ones so I can fit them in my pieces, and they're beautiful. Look at that. I believe they're all from pheasants, and they're ethically sourced from, oh, these are from blue jays. Oh my god, those are gorgeous. How beautiful is that? Finally these, which have a cool iridescence to them. The camera's not really picking it up very well, but maybe I can bring out that iridescence. How gorgeous. I'm really excited to use these in some pieces. Got these from Feather Shop UK, and they're really wonderfully priced and stunning and ethically sourced, which is important to me to use in my jewelry. So excited to make some pieces from that. So I need to organize some of these dried flowers, work on some graphics for my boyfriend because he's hosting an open mic. Really exciting. I am planning to show you guys how I pour my resin. A lot of you guys have been asking what the process is and how I do it, so I thought I would show you guys. So that's super exciting. What else? I don't know. I just so happy with how the space has turned out, and I think I'm going to spend a lot more time in here, which equals more work. And yeah, I highly recommend if anyone is feeling like, oh, I don't want to go into my workspace or my studio, I just feel so lethargic, I recommend rejuvenation of the space. Rejuvenation Nation, as I like to call it, with a hashtag. I am making these paper weights. I might turn them into little air plant holders, because I'm also obsessed with air plants. Big surprise. But this one is in the beginning stages, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. It's going to use a lot of resin, and the resin I use is not exactly cheap. So hopefully it'll be worth it. If you guys want to buy these, guys, then it will be worth it for me. And, you know, I just like making pretty things. So, time to deal with some dried flowers and call it a day.